the complete TypeScript course. Let's get the ball rolling straight away. Let's give a quick overview of the couple of first few sections that we are going to go over. First, we are going to set up your computer. We are going to install Node and NPM. We are going to install an IDE. We are going to be using WebStorm. We are going to install the TypeScript compiler and learn a couple of advantages of using TypeScript. Next, we are going to approach TypeScript as a better JavaScript. We are going to see what are the features of the ES6 version of the JavaScript language that are available on TypeScript today. We are going to cover that. Next, we are going to dive deep into the biggest feature of TypeScript, its type system. We are going to cover the features of the type system in depth. And that will be the initial introduction to the language. From there, with that basic set of concepts, we are going to dive deep into building an application straight away. So, a couple of sections of introduction of language features, then straight into the application. Once we have built a significant part of the application, we are going to go back to the drawing board and present a few more features: generics, object-oriented classes, and decorators. With those in place, we will be able to use the Angular 2 framework. We're going to build a small Angular 2 client that queries the REST API, and we're going to enhance the REST API with some custom types. We're going to share some code between the backend and the frontend. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing is to set up your computer. Let's start installing Node and NPM.